Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the Google section and then to the backup. Then what you have to do is to add your Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap next, then you have to enter your password. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and then tap turn on, and your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.